For today's video, magpo-focus po tayo sa mga requested stocks ninyo tulad ng SCC, ICT, at URC. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Alright everyone, so let's start off with TEL, no? Now, itong TEL medyo nag-downtrend na tayo ulit, pababa na siya. Okay, kung pupunahin natin, nag-form tayo ng high dito, close to yung high end ng range na to. We push lower, went up, formed the lower high, broke down. So ito, naging lower low natin. So ito na yung next na lower low. Baka ito yung potential na lower high or ito. Hindi pa kasi tapos yung structure, so hindi pa natin masabi, no? Now, given where price is, yung next level of resistance niya will be around here sa 1,480 hanggang mga 1,500 na area. And if mabasag natin yan, yung following level of resistance will be around 1,585 followed by 1,645. In fact, you could consider this as a resistance area rather than one specific level kasi kahit naman mabasag niyan yung 1,585, hindi pa yata magiging outright bullish yung outlook natin sa kanya. I say yata kasi depende pa rin eh. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari between now and if ever man na mangyari yon. So mahirap magsalita ng tapos. Now, another likely scenario is baka umangat tayo dito, mauntog tayo dito sa 1,481 na sinabi nating resistance level, and then we start rolling lower. If so, baka abutin natin tong previous level of support at 1,342. If pati yung 1,342 bumigay, baka itong entire up move na to makain na. Baka balikan natin tong previous highs na to around 1,3 or even lower pa. Balikan natin tong mga lows na naiwan natin from before around 1,2, 1,190 and so on. Okay? Now, lagi ko nga sinasabi, given the current market conditions, kung meron kayong value area na pinag-aabangan for TEL, then I'm sure pinag-aralan nyo yan, act with confidence. Pero kung wala, you might want to wait for more decisive market moves na magkaroon tayo ng certain type of confirmation before jumping back in dito sa TEL. Next, tignan naman po natin tong URC, no? Now, tong URC, kung mapapansin natin, nagkaroon tayo ng strong move to the upside after we were unable to push through itong area of consolidation to the left, no? Diyan tayo nauntog, diyan tayo nag-consolidate ulit, hindi kinaya, so we started pushing lower once again. Now, given that, maaaring mag-form tayo sa area na to ng something like a head and shoulders pattern. Hindi ako magugulat if that happens. If so, what it confirms for me is stuck pa tayo sa range ng leg na to. So maaari na kung nagbuo man tayo ng head and shoulders pattern, mauntog dyan, we start pushing lower, baka balikan lang natin yung lower bounds ng range natin, which is either around 99.2 or 93.3. Okay? Pagka ganon, these levels might act as support and maaaring makakita tayo ng potential range trade na mabuo kung umabot man tayo doon. Okay? In fact, where we are right now, assuming magkaroon ng magandang setup, ng magandang trap, baka magbigay siya ng opportunity for a quick push lang pabalik nitong 115 or 120 na area bago mabuo yung head and shoulders, and a quick trade could be had there, but whether or not it's something that you end up trading, again, remains to be seen. Kasi possible din na ito na pala yung high ng right shoulder mo and we actually end up breaking itong 108.1 and start digging deeper from here. Okay? Now, on the flip side, the other scenario is if we can push higher and we are able to break above tong range na to, itong area na to, between 120.5 hanggang 123.2, then the likely scenario is marirevisit natin yung highs na nag-form nung nag-consolidate tayo sa area na to. And obviously, if we can break above that, we might start pushing above yung mga highs na naiwan dito before. But for now, okay, given where we are, wala pa akong nakikitang clear cut on what to do. Okay? Kung kunwari confident kayo, you're very bullish URC, wala naman sigurong mawawala if you wait for a proper setup. kung ano man yung parameters nung hinahanap nyo, given whatever system you use, kahit technical analysis pa yan or fundamental analysis pa yan, waiting a little bit more, given current market conditions, likely won't hurt. Now, itong balay, hindi rin ako nagulat na maraming nagre-request, no? Maraming DMs via Twitter, via Instagrams. Kasi nga, it did push higher and a lot of breakout traders likely stepped in and baka hindi nabantayan for one reason or another and medyo nag-slip na tayo to the downside. In fact, nagbuo tayo ng bagong 52-week low sa candle na to at around 55 cents. Now, after natin mabuo yung 52-week low, we pushed higher. Nauntog tayo dito sa level of resistance na to, around 68. And now we're rolling down once again. Kung kunwari mula dito, sabihin natin makapag-form tayo ng higher low and we actually push higher, tapos we start holding above 68 cents, then that might open up this range here for a potential trade mula 68 hanggang 77. Okay? Pero kung kunwari hindi kinaya, maybe one more attempt to push higher, mauntog or mabitin, then we roll over, balikan natin yung 55. Then what we're looking for is maybe mag-form tayo ng double bottom, and if so, tignan natin ano yung itsura ng structure by then. Pwede natin tong balikan at pag-usapan ulit. Okay? Kung mabasag yung 55, then obviously, bagong 52-week low tayo. Bagong hintay na naman as new structure develops before we can come back and reassess itong balay. Now, kung kunwari naman, patuloy siyang umangat from here, ito yung mga resistance levels natin. As I said kanina, 68, 77, followed by 83, 95, and then finally at 1.10. Next, tignan naman po natin tong SCC, no? Now, tong SCC, as we were talking about it the other day, parang nag-form siya ng head and shoulders pattern dito. We actually broke beneath itong neckline na to. And when we attempted to push higher in this candle here, nagkaroon tayo ng rejection, no? We were unable to go back above yung high ng right shoulder. And then from there, more or less, we started pushing lower / consolidating around this area here. Given all of that, wala ganong nagbago from our previous assessment. Kung from here, mabasag natin yung 38, the next level of support will be around 36 pesos, followed by 32.6. Kung from here naman, we push higher and we actually reclaim not just yung 42.15 but yung 44.4 as well. Then yung next level of resistance that we'll be looking at is dito na sa 47.4, not to mention 52-week high na naman sa SCC, and that could be used as a springboard for price to push higher. Now, all that being said, no, structurally speaking, it looks like it might push at least a little bit lower, which to be fair, hindi naman gaano nakaagulat given nga gaano na siya kalaki yung tinaas niya. Diba? So hindi naman nakaagulat kung magkaroon tayo ng deeper pullback along the way. Now, whether or not yung deeper pullback na yon will actually lead into a downtrend or will just lead potential new buyers to get in remains to be seen, no? But for now, where SCC is, medyo no man's land pa. Siguro maganda, wag muna tayo hahabol, wag muna tayo pipilit. Unless meron po talaga kayong magandang dahilan para bumili, pasok siya sa parameters nyo and everything. And if so, then by all means, go ahead. But otherwise, stay on the sidelines muna. Either wait na maging mas clear yung chart or maging mas maganda ang market conditions natin. And then finally, silipin po natin yung ICT. Now, tong ICT, price has come back. Halos binalikan nga niya yung support natin like we discussed. Bumitin ng konti, started pushing higher. Ngayon, binalikan natin tong area of resistance na to between 178.2 hanggang 183.4. Even if sabihin natin, mabasag natin tong 183.4, we're not out of the woods just yet kasi ang laking area of consolidation din nito. So just because price pushes higher, that doesn't mean na kung sino man yung mga naipit dito from before might not decide to get out. 'Di ba? Kasi ang common na mentality or ang common approach is makalabas ng buhay. So if price does push higher, even if we push deeper into this area of consolidation, odds are marami pa ring mga naipit na gugustuhin lumabas. However, if from here, mabasag natin tong 194.2, I think that's a good sign. Baka balikan natin tong inflection point na naiwan dito from before or even push higher, revisiting tong mga highs na naiwan dati. However, kung kunwari hindi na natin kayanin, sabihin natin talagang untog na tayo dito sa 178 na area and we start pushing lower, what we'll be watching is yung next level of support at 164. Mababasag ba yan? Kung hindi yan nabasag, baka mag-range muna tayo between 164 hanggang 178. But if it does break, then highly likely marirevisit na natin tong area of support na naghihintay dito sa baba between 148 hanggang 152. Okay? And if pati yan mabasag pa, then highly likely we dig much deeper. Baka balikan natin tong mga naiwan na inflection points or mga highs, mga previous resistances na naiwan natin dati, no? But for now, I think it's a good sign that it's staying there. But hanggang magpakita siya ng gilas, kumbaga, na magkaroon tayo ng actual breakage to the upside, I think mahirap mamili sa resistance, di ba? Kasi parang binibili natin kung saan quote-unquote topish na siya tignan eh. So we need to be careful na just because it looks like it might push higher, we still need to be wary kung saan tayo bumibili. Kasi kapag bumibili tayo right at resistance, kung saan nagbebenta ang ibang mga tao, parang hindi naman yata tama yon para sa atin, di ba? Para nating binibili ng mahal in the hopes na mas magmahal pa kahit na ang pinapakita niya so far, nauuntog pa siya. So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? I hope nakatulong po to sa inyo kahit konti and may natutunan kayo kahit papano. And if so, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!